Hey there, today I'll show you how to fix Amazon Prime. This video is unavailable issue. If it's appear on your screen, just follow the steps. Power off your device and router and unplug it from the power outlet. Wait 1 or 2 minutes and plug it back. Switch on the device and open only the Amazon Prime Video app. Then open your VPN app, disconnect the VPN, then clear the browser data or clear app data. If you are using the Prime Video app, it will reset the cookies and Amazon will now locate you to your current location. If this is not working, then open the Amazon Prime Video's website or app, then search for the show you want to watch and click on the plus icon or add to watch list button to continue. Now go to your watch list by hovering over your profile icon. Start streaming the content from here. If the reason behind video unavailability is a glitch in the app, it should resolve the problem. Still it doesn't work, then open the Amazon Prime Video app on your phone, then tap on your profile icon at the top right. Now click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Here select the stream download option, toggle off the switch for hardware acceleration to the left. Confirm your choice on the pop-up by clicking continue. If this is still not working, open the web browser and click on the 3 dots at the top right corner. Now open settings from the drop down menu. Scroll down and open the about page. Here you can check your browser version and update it if your later version is available. If you open the browser of your choice, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open browser data settings. On a Mac, use Command+Shift+Delete. Select the boxes next to browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Choose the time range all time and click on clear data. Now re-logging to the Prime Video website using your credentials. Following these steps, you can fix Amazon Prime. This video is unavailable issue.